Imagine building a JavaScript program that checks if you're eligible to cast a vote as a citizen using the power of conditional statements. The if-else, which is conditional statement, helps JavaScript think. They allow your program to ask questions and respond differently based on your answer. It starts with an if keyword, a condition to be evaluated, and the action that will be performed if the condition is true. Let's assume we have a variable of age and value of 25, and we want to build a logic that checks if I'm an adult or not. So what we have to do is to come inside of our parentheses and write our conditional logic. I'm going to say age is greater than 18. So in our condition, we are using the greater than symbol. This greater than symbol is called the comparison operator in JavaScript. This one facing right is actually checking if our age is greater than 18. So if we are to choose the symbol that faces left, which means we are checking if age is less than 18. So after declaring your logic, we have to actually have an action that will be performed if this condition is true, because obviously 25 is greater than 18. So what then happens? So I'll start by writing document.getElement by ID. Then inside of the ID, I'm going to write show. Then inner text equal to. So for this to work, I have to copy this, then come inside of our HTML, write a H3 element and give it an ID of show. So when I save this, you are going to see you are an adult. This is because age is greater than 18. But what if we are 10 years old or below 18? What then happens? I'm going to write 15 over here. So when I save this, you're not going to see anything here. So why this thing happened is that if statement only checks if condition is true. And if it's true, that's the only time that it will give you the response. To be able to get a response, if our condition is false, then we need an else statement. So our else statement only comes with else and the action that will be performed if this condition is false. So I'm going to copy this and paste it inside here, and I will change this to you are still young. So it's going to show you are still young as far as our age is not greater than 18. So which means if I should come over here and say 40, it's going to show me I'm an adult. But what if we write 18 here? Then you'll notice that we have you are still young over here. The reason is clear, because 18 is never greater than 18, which is age is not greater than 18. But while in a normal sense, if you are 18 years old, you are supposed to be an adult. So to be able to solve this issue, we have to come over here and put equal to. So remember, this equal to have to come just after the greater than symbol. So our condition now reads if age is greater than or equal to 18. Now when I save this, it will now show me I am an adult. So this is how you work with conditional statement, but it doesn't stop there. What if you want to check another logic, like we want to compare another condition? That is where else if comes in. Let me show you. Currently we are checking if our age is greater than 18. So what if you are to check if our age is greater than 200 years or maybe 100 years? For that, I'll come over